everyone, it's Lori. Welcome back to Bazaar Studios, and I'm doing a really quick video. And I thought I'd share with you something I saw on Instagram from Nancy Pitre Art, and she's a very inspirational artist. If you're interested in checking her out, I will leave a link for her down below in my description box for you. And this is very simple, so this is also probably a good idea. A good way, I can't even speak today, oh boy. A good way to practice by using very minimal paint. So what you can do is I'm going for a leopard look today. So basically 3 colors, white, gold, and black, very simple. I have my pouring medium recipe down in the description box. There'll be a link for that for you. And also my house paint that I use and everything else will be down below in the description box. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my house paint and I'm going to do the bloom recipe on this and the bloom technique using my bloom recipe rather. So it's white house paint combined with a little bit of Golden's GAC 800, and I'm just putting this down on my tile, and then I put just a little bit of paint in the middle there, sort of acts as my pillow. So there's our white, and now I have a couple air bubbles I am going to pop real quick with my skewer here. And this is the Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. This is the paint from them that I'm going to use. If you are not familiar with it, that is what it looks like. First color down is the gold, and then a black cell activator. Very simple. I want to try to make sure I put a good amount down here. Since it's the only color I'm really using. Now I'm going to pop these bubbles too. I just gave that a really good stir, so I have a whole bunch of bubbles coming up on me, but that's okay. Should be fine. Now, black cell activator here. I'm going to lay this down right in the middle. And I'm going to blow this out using my mouth. And there we have it. I'm going to let some of the paint come back into the middle of the tile. And I'm going to blow just a little bit more here on this black. Okay, there we go. I'm just making sure all my corners and all my sides have a good amount of paint on them. I may need just to put a little bit more down on the edges. So I'm just going to add a dab on the edges here. I'm just adding a little bit just for a little extra insurance, if you will. I'm waiting a little bit longer now for this middle to come back. This looks really nice. Okay, I'm gonna give this a spin. Ooh, pretty. I wanna do one more spin. And actually, I think I'm going to tilt it just a tad. Now spin. Oh wow, this is beautiful. That is so pretty. So, there we have it. I'm just tilting it a little bit more. I'm going to leave this just like this. I'm going to wipe my bottom off here so I don't have all that excess paint underneath my tile. All right, and we're done. Let me give you a nice close-up of this one. Okay, here we go in for a close-up here. I love it. I even got some cells on the sides of the tile there as well. This is one of my 4-inch tiles. This came out beautiful. So I hope you liked today's video, short and sweet. Give this one a try, leave me some comments, let me know if you'd like to see any other colors used. I will certainly do that for you. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it, found it inspiring. I appreciate that as well. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye for now.